I'm Susan. Today I'm going to share with you a small haul that I got, and I'm so excited with some of the things I found. And the first three items are these books, and they were free. I got them at my library. This is the first time I went to the library, though, and didn't find magazines, free magazines. They didn't have any magazines, but I did find these books that would be nice to use the covers. So I'm happy with that. I went to an antique mall, and I was so excited. I found these Ideal books. I've never seen any around here. I've got a lot of Christmas ones since Christmas is coming, but they had all kinds, and I'm definitely going back. These were only $2 a piece, and I definitely will go back. I spent way too much money. Not trying not to spend because Christmas is coming up, but you know, when you can't find things and suddenly there they are, I kind of go overboard. I went ahead and got an Easter one. I like beautiful pages. But I've always wanted, I got Valentine's, and it even had a card in it. But I'm excited. I haven't even looked at the card. I wonder oh, how cute. Grandmother, grandfather. Aw, that's sweet. But I am excited. And then I got a Thanksgiving one. And I just love these, you know, little pages. I'm not even sure. Someone was marking things. This one is, let's see, 1964. This one is January. I don't know, it's Roman numerals. I'm terrible with Roman numerals. So, this one is 57. This one looks newer, but I love the images. And I don't see a date on this one. It just jumped right in there. And this one is more Roman numerals. I want to say it's 1933, but I'm not sure. I don't know if it could be that old. Let's see here. 66, the year I was born. And this one looks newer. So I believe this one's a newer one. But I was very excited to find these. Okay. I found these two grungy feed sacks. They were $3 a piece. And I saw Amy do a Somerset Studio project where you transfer images onto material, and I thought these would be perfect. So this one's kind of got a pinkish tint to it, and this is your regular one. And last but not least, something I'm excited about is these postcards. Oop, they got a little bent. Now this one, and I should make copies of these. This one was $2, and I'm not sure how old it is, but I loved it. I got mostly Christmas ones of this. That one's a Happy Christmas. And that one's 09. They were on the bottom of the bag Let's see, that one is 1914. Most of these, the one I spent the most money on, I believe, nope. One I fell in love with, I think it was this one. It was $3, but I fell in love with that one. It was this one. I loved the colors in it, and it was $4. But that's the only one I spent $4. And actually, the Christmas ones were the cheaper one. Most of them were like $2 or $3. There's a couple that was $1.50. And this one was $3, but I loved that. And we got that Christmas one. I can't read the date on that one. Got that one. And we've got that one. And that one. That one. It wasn't used. It was $1.50. And 1911. But I love these, and they had lots and lots and lots of vintage postcards. So I'm definitely going back. But I ended up spending over $50 for everything. But I don't do that very often. But I hope you enjoyed this haul. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. And ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. I hope you enjoyed it. They were so much fun to find these things. And I am excited to be able to use these. So y'all take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.